Today I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Go to Canva and click video landscape. Go to elements and let's type pistachio. Click videos. Let's use this video. Let's drag it to the timeline. Decrease the duration to 5 seconds and animate with ink. Click both and increase the size to cover all the page. Go to elements again and type gradient graphics. Let's use this one. Go to flip and flip horizontal. Increase the size and go to edit, tune, custom, and change the color to white color and go to text and type your text. Go to font. Let's change the font to Pacifico. Increase the size. Let's place it in the left side. Go to text color. Make it white and go to effects and make left shadow and animate the text with blur and decrease the duration of the text. Make it appear for 2 seconds in the middle. And let's drag this line to here and drag your image. Then place it in the top of these elements. Adjust the duration to 5 seconds as well. And let's adjust the size and the position. Go to animate with baseline. Click both and click reverse exit animation. And here is our first slide. And make the same for the rest of the slides. Let's drag the next video. Let's place it in this line. Decrease the duration to 5 seconds. Click on the first clip and go to copy style, copy basic style, and click on the second one. We applied the same animation and let's duplicate this element, place it here, duplicate the text as well. Let's place it in the middle and let's edit the text and let's add the image. Click in the first image, copy style, and click in the second image. Adjust the size and the position. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.